What's up, guys? Welcome to Salt City Euros. Today, we are comparing our V8 to our tiny
When you get into the E30 world of motor swaps, there's a lot of options. You can do the common stuff like an M50, S50, S50 which is what we're doing. But if you want to be really cool, you need to do a V8. And that's what Nate from Blockheads Garage has done with this coupe. And he's here today to walk us through what he's done.
This is my 86 E30. I wanted to go with a V8 because, well, V8s sound cool to begin with, and I wanted that naturally aspirated power, and that was about the easiest way for me to do it. I didn't want to do an LS, but I wanted to keep it all BMW, not into crossbreeding. The motor is from a 94 740. The motor is all stock, kept it that way just for reliability. It is factory 282 horsepower and factory 295 foot-pounds. Transmission we got out of an E39. It's a 6-speed. We got all the swap parts from Garagistic, used their pedal setup, their motor mounts, sitting on Megan coilovers. Other than that, we just reinforced the subframes. It's got a half cage Corbeau seats. That's about it.
We all know what you guys are wondering, which car is faster. So we're gonna have a drag race, because that's what Top Gear would do. Just did the Ricer flyby.
I didn't want to say anything.
Nate clearly won. He probably had a solid, car and a half. Congrats to Nate and his V8.
I'm gonna go cry now.
All right, well, that was all fun and games, but we all know that E30s need to handle well, not just in a straight line. So that's what we came out to the test track for, to find out which car goes around the track faster. But we're not gonna be driving these cars. That's what we have Dimitri for.
Не даст мне изменить свой путь, и многих тех, с кем начинал, на финише уже не будет. Но все решают люди, судьба лишь... Как мясо в фарш, я в рифму перемалываю прозу. На сердце полосы, я вкладываю это в голос ради тех дворов, где веселится.
And across the line.
You see that? Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all.
Не значками на одежке, не татухами на теле. Нас изменить хотели многие, вписать границы синтетического стиля на пустых и грозных лиц. Но мы из улицы, и наши люди не живут обманом. Мы видим жизнь не через призму голубых экранов. Азбука неграмотных, икона атеистов. Это наш метод донести себя и к черту бизнес.
What happened? I think the carrier fell off. Where's your jack?
Carrier fall off, or did you push the shifter down too far?
I didn't push it down before. I think the carrier.
I don't know, that feels pretty low to me. I wonder if you pushed it past and it's hitting the guibo.
I don't know, yeah, because I didn't push it down any more than since that last lap.
Yeah.
And when I launched, that's when it really came off.
Okay. This car don't kill me.
So, what's the damage?
Selector rod didn't break. It came out of the transmission.
You can find the piece that probably fell out, right?
I need like an E-clip or Allen wire, or I need it higher too.
I don't know how we're gonna do that.
I don't either.
50 miles away from home with no real tools and losing light, we got to work in a hurry, hoping we can get Nate's car back on the road.
Dang.
That sucks. I was like,
So
I heard a click, and then I was like,
you must have lost it somewhere in the track, huh?
yeah.
That piece that fell out?
So I wonder if it came off because that sheet metal thing dropped down, and if it's somewhere here.
Find it?
I think I can manhandle the carrier back up on top of that with the selector rod off. Yeah, it's a mess.
That sucks.
I'll look for a C-clip home.
Dude, that is such a teeny clip. There's no way you're gonna find that. I mean, I'll help you look, but I'm just saying, like, you know what?
You think that would fall out without that clip? I don't see how it could.
I mean, it's shoved up in there pretty tight, don't you think?
Yeah, zip ties.
It's probably been gone for a while and it just happened to fall apart.
Well, today was really good. We got a good drag race in. We now know that the V8 is a little bit faster than the S50. That's to be expected. It's a sick motor. It sounds incredible. Really got me thinking about a V8, I gotta be honest with you, Max. Besides that, I mean, we had a lot of fun out at the track. Unfortunately, Nate's car had a little mechanical mishap. Actually, the shifter linkage came apart. Something broke on there. But yeah, no, besides that, it's been a great day. We got a legit time for the S50, so we're gonna show you guys that in a little bit. But yeah, just a lot of fun filming out here, and it's been great.
What is that?
Oh, it's my center console.
Oh.
I didn't want to put it back in, so I have to take it back out anyways. For the heater core valve.
How's it going under here?
Lovely.
How's that looking?
I don't know. It hasn't moved.
I think you'll probably be good to drive in Nico's house.
Yeah, and then even from there, well, basically once we get on the interstate, it just stays in 6th gear.
So it looks like the car is fixed after all. It is now 9 o'clock. Yeah, so this took about 2 hours. Not too bad, actually. I'm really happy that the car is going to be driving out of here. So
Yeah, and we don't have to tow.
yeah,
That's nice.
I was not looking forward to that. Oh yeah, we're on a track in the middle of nowhere.
Try not to do any rights or flybys or burnouts or anything.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. We were still going. I don't know why you hit the brakes.
Just do the whole lap in first gear.
Yeah,
Still be faster than Touring.
with the shift linkage knocking on the guibo the whole time.
That's such a headache.
That would have been awful.
Yeah, it probably would have bent it or something. And then, no,
Yeah.
it wouldn't have bent it. It would have ripped the guibo.
It would have ripped the guibo, and I did not want to do that. When I felt that on the shift knob, I was like, no, I think I'm gonna stop. I think I'll hit the brakes.
The sound of it, I thought it was a CV at first.
I was thinking it was something internal with the transmission.
Oh, that was bad, huh?
That was pretty bad.
Sorry about your car, Nate. But obviously, the car just didn't want to try handling. The Touring is superior in that aspect.
As soon as it had to handle, it just committed suicide, and yeah, that's just kind of what happened there. The Touring did post a time because it did go around the track.
What's the time?
Well, it's 1 minute, 26 seconds, and 2 milliseconds.
Not bad, so we did better, but obviously, as you saw, there were a bunch of weeds on our track.
This sucks, dude. We should have brought some tools. Some gardening tools, shovels at least.
I usually have a lawnmower in my car. I just left it out today.
Take it out. Yeah, dude, we're not gonna get rid of this stuff.
Just gonna have to steer around it. And it kind of really slowed us down a bunch.
Yeah, Dimitri said that it was pretty bad, so even though it's just a 2-second, I guess, decrease of the previous time.
So we're gonna, Top Gear style, we're gonna do
W.
for weeds. Yeah, I mean, that's not a bad time. Shaving 2 seconds off, I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah. I mean, I'm happy with it. I'm not too happy about the time because 2 seconds, I was really hoping for more, but you know, excuses are everyone's best friend. So we did have the weeds, and for those of you who follow us on Instagram might have known that the heater core pipe actually busted on my car and spilled coolant all over the carpet. So Dimitri was saying he was having a lot of trouble with the coolant. It was slipping the brake pedal and the gas pedal. So I just wanted to throw in another excuse into the mix.
Sure.
But next time that'll be taken care of. So
sounds good. Well, that's all for tonight. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join us next week. We got an update on my sedan and a little goodie box from Garagistic.